friends, welcome back to SLR Studies. I am Niladhar. Today we are going to discuss about our next chapter, that is the world between wars from 1900 to 1950 part 1. And in the last session we have completed the lesson Indian rivers and the water resources, and today I want to start with history in social studies. In the history the first lesson, the first chapter of 10th class is the world between the wars part 1 from 1900 to 1950. Starting with, at the beginning, the total population of the world is only about 1.6 billion, that is 160 crores. And after time by time, year by year, the industry is started to rise up, and the industry started to develop, and it had changed many people's mind, and the many people started their earnings, and also the people started to live happily. And the industrial revolution was started in the Britain, as we know, in England, and likewise slowly by slowly every country started to industrialize their countries. In this way, the world has divided into two parts. The West, it contains the developed countries like Britain and Russia and US and Italy, Japan, Germany, France, etc. And the second part is the rest. It contains the colonies of the developed countries, and also the undeveloped countries such as India, and also the developing countries such as India and Nepal and Bangladesh, etc. All these comes under the rest. In this way, the world was in the 20th century. A historian called as Eric Hobson called the 20th century as a age of extremes. He called the 20th century as age of extremes because in the 20th century, only starting with the 20th century, the world has changed. The world has changed by a large amount, such as the scientific knowledge has rose to a new levels, unlocking the secrets of the life and also the atoms. And literacy rates and also the average life expectancy grew immensely, and because of the healthy habits of the people, and also the women who constitute half the world constitution also got the right to vote in the 20th century, starting from the West. As we discussed, the West countries, the first time the British women got the right to vote in 1918, 1918 year, and also the 20th century also seen a massive destructions and also distractions, and the world has started under the control of Germany, Hitler, and also the fascist demolition also started to grow up in the 20th century only. Like this, the 20th century has become most deadliest century in ever seen, and also like this, hence we can call the 20th century as the age of extremes. So this is the reason why the Eric Hobson has called the 20th century as the age of extremes. And also like this, the 20th century is a very dangerous century as ever seen in the history. And also here in this chapter, and like this, we are going to discuss about the two massive war blocks occurred in the 20th century, that is World Wars 1 and 2, and also the destructions of the World Wars and the risks of the World Wars and the ominous facts of the World Wars. And not only these, and mostly some international organizations such as the UNO and also the League of Nations, etc. We are going to discuss all of them in this chapter. Okay, let's starting with the chapter. We are going to first discuss about the ominous facts of the World Wars. And in the ominous facts of the World Wars, the World War 1 and 2 has occurred because of some silly reasons, and not the silly reasons. They are just small reasons they can justify in their own towns, but the nationalism has passed it to one country to another country, and like this, so on. Mainly the World Wars has occurred because as we discussed, the developed countries includes Germany, Hungary, Austria, Germany, Russia, Italy, Japan, USA, etc. All these countries has divided into two parts, that is Germany, Austria, Hungary versus the France, USA and USSR. And like this, these two blocks have started wanted as themselves to be top of the to dominate all over the world, and they want to rise to the top of the world's position. For this position, all the two parts has fighted at each other, and like this, the World War has started. Mainly And discussing about the deaths and the destructions, the World War I has reached to a massive destruction of more than 10 million people, as across 10 million people have died in the World War I. And also these contains 75,000 of Indian soldiers who had fought in the Africa, and also rest of the people are of different nations. And also the World War II, it is more than World War I. It contains a massive destruction of up to 22 to 25 million of people in all over the world has died in the World War II because of the wars. And also these also contain 40 to 46 millions of people who are casualties and died. And also it includes 6 millions of Jews which were murdered under the name of Holocaust by the Hitler. And also the Hitler is one of the most important person in the bringing the World War I. The World War I has stopped because of the defeat of Germany, and as the same thing the World War II also has stopped because of the defeat of the Germany. And like this, the two world wars have created a massive destruction, and even we cannot imagine like this. And also now we are going to discuss about some pictures. So children, as we see here the first picture here shows the first picture shows about the rally which was conducted by the Hitler's Nazi parties in the Nuremberg who compare it. And Nuremberg, and it is also a rally which was it is headed by the Hitler. And in this picture here we can see the mother who has two children, and also she is very sad because of the great depression which was happened from 1929 to 39. And here the third picture, this is very dangerous as we see. And this third picture shows the fall of Hiroshima, on the fall of atomic bomb little boy on Hiroshima. And in the ending of the chapter we can see the destruction which was happened by the atomic bomb. The USA had thrown the atomic bomb on 6th August 1945 on this Hiroshima. Its name is the little boy. And in this picture we can see the it was drawn by the Kostadiev in the 1990 and 1920, not 1990. And like this, in this picture we can see a giant person who is the head of the rally. You only guess who is that head. And also in this last picture, in this fifth picture we can see the telling that buy from the Jews and betray your people. Here the artist want to say that the Jews are very be aware of the Jews, and Jews are trying to capture all Jews are the Hitler want to kill all the Jews. So Jews, he is saying, here the artist is trying to say about the Jews has to be careful from the Hitler. Okay friends, and like this all these 5 pictures are very important pictures. They can come as some questions. They will, in the exams they will give that here they will give picture and comment on it like this. They can give. So friends, please check about the pictures, and also they are very important. And like this, as we see the Hiroshima bomb which was fallen on the Hiroshima, its name is a little boy atomic bomb. It's very dangerous bomb. And now we are going to discuss about the two divisions, the power blocks of the world. Starting with the power blocks of the world, there are 2 power blocks mainly in the world. And here in the power blocks of the world, there are mainly 2 power blocks in the world. That is one US, and the other power block is USSR. These 2 are the rival blocks of the world, and these 2 only maintain all the world's problems. And these are the 2 power blocks. If any country got any problem, the USA will take care about them. And also the USA and USSR act as brothers for the whole world. And like this, today we are completing up to the power blocks, and in the next session we are going to discuss about the reasons of the World War I and II, and not World War II. First we are discussing about the reasons of the World War I. And like this, today we are completing this session. Thanks friends, thank you for watching this video. The next session is very interesting, don't miss that.